Hello friends, my name is Sam. This is my first tutorial of HTML. In this tutorial, I will first give you overview, then tell you about some basic HTML tags, then show you HTML page structure, then tell you about some common HTML attributes that are used in the body tag, heading tag and other tags. Then I will tell you about formatting tags that are used to format our document that help our web page or pages look good and pretty. Then finally tell you about HTML lists. So let's start with overview. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to internet web pages. It is simply a collection of certain keywords called tags that are that are helpful in writing the document to be displayed using a browser on internet. HTML is a platform independence language that can be used on any platform such as Windows, Linux, Mac and so on. HTML also provides tags that to make the document look attractive using graphics, font size and colors. User can make a link to other document or the different section of the same document by creating hypertext links, also known as hyperlink. Now HTML tags. What is HTML tags? Tags are the hidden keywords within a web page that define how the browser must format and display the content. Now, these are tags that are used in almost all the web pages of the document. First, HTML tag. The tag is used to indicate that this is an HTML document. That HTML tag encloses all other HTML tags and associated text within your document. It is the root element of an HTML tag. Now next, head tag. This tag represents the document header which can keep other HTML tags like title, link, etc. It always placed after HTML tag. Next, title tags. This tag indicate the title of this HTML page. It gives the document a title which is displayed on the browser title bar at the top. Next, body tag. The body tag contains all the text and graphics of the document with all the HTML tags that are used for control and format of the page. Every ins- everything inside the body tag is displayed on the browser inside the main browser window. Next, heading tag. Heading tag are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the largest heading and H6 defines the smallest heading. HTML automatically adds an extra blank line before and after a heading. Next is paragraph tag. This tag paragraph defines a paragraph. The paragraph tag automatically creates some space before and after itself. Now look at one tags and you can also how to write HTML markup documents. You don't need any special compiler or editor for HTML. You must need simple like notepad. So first open the notepad and type this code on this. Now save this document. First go to file, save as and choose the location where you want to save this document. Now name and extension is .html. Every HTML document save with .html extension. Now check out. Here it is, our file. Now open this, double click. Here is the output. So simply you just open the notepad editor and type the codes and save it to .html extension, and you code the output. Now next is HTML page structure. HTML tags normally come in pair like paragraph tag. The first tag in a pair is the start tag and the second tag is ending tag. The end tag is written like the start tag but within a forward slash inserted before the tag name. The start tag is also called opening tag and the end tag is also called closing tag. Now next, HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes normally come in name value pair like name value. The name is the property you want to set, for example align. The value is what you want the value of the property to be set, example left, right, center, etc. Now some common HTML attributes. First is BG color. It sets the background color of your page. Next is background. It adds a background image to your page. Next is text. It changes the color of the text. Next is alignment. Is change the alignment of the text left, right, center, justify, etc. Now next is a link. A link it's change the color of the active link. Look at one example. Open your notepad and type this code on your notepad. Then save it. Go to file, save as. Now give the name ht.html and choose the location. I choose desktop. Then all, save. Now check. Here it is, ht. Now double click on it. Here is the output. Background color is changed, font color is changed, and alignment also, left, right, center. Now last topic of this tutorial, formatting tags. Formatting tags were designed to display special type of tags. First P, R, second I, third U. If you use a word processor, you must be familiar with the ability to make text bold, italic, and underline. Next is sub, sub displays the enclosed text in superscript. Next, sub displays the enclosed text in subscript. Now, finally is font. This is used to add style, size, and color to the text. It has some attributes. These are: first is size, second is space, third is color. You give the size, define validity of size is 7 r 1 to 7, default is 3. Face, define the name of the font like Time Roman, Chiller, etc. Next, color, give the color whatever you want. Look at one example of these formatting tags. Open your notepad and type this code on your notepad, then save it. save as, choose the location, give the name font, font.html, and now select all, save it. Now here is the file, double click on it. Now look at this. This is first bold, then italic, then underline text. This is superscript, this is subscript, then font color, size, and face. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want full tutorial, then like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye, guys.